Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to make various useful household items out of plastic bags. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you want to do is get your materials together. So you'll need a bunch of clean plastic bags that you can use, scissors, an iron and a hot pad to place underneath so you don't burn whatever surface you are working on. Also, you'll need parchment paper and a little bit of patience. Now, before we start cutting, there are some things to consider. First, different types of plastics may require different techniques because they vary in thickness and flexibility. For example, the plastic from grocery store bags is usually thinner and more flexible than the plastic from bread bags. Second, the color of the plastic bags might affect the appearance of the final product. And lastly, the amount of plastic you use will depend on the desired thickness and durability of the plastic sheet. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We are going to lay down a piece of parchment paper on our work surface, and we are going to cut open the plastic bag right down the middle. We are going to take one side and we are going to lay that on top of the parchment paper. We're going to repeat the process until we have about 5 layers of plastic. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to put another piece of parchment paper on top. Now we're ready to start ironing. Now it's really important to use a low heat setting. The ideal temperature is between 200 and 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 to 150 degrees Celsius. And make sure to always test a small scrap of plastic first to avoid melting or scorching the plastic. Place your iron on top, close the lid and apply pressure for about 20 to 30 seconds or until the plastic has melted and fused together. Lift up the iron and remove any excess plastic that has melted over the edges. Repeat the process until the entire surface has been fused together. Let it cool down completely before handling it and then peel off the parchment paper. So once you have a few of these plastic sheets, you can move on to making your projects. So let me show you a few ideas. Alright. So the first project I'm going to show you how to make is a woven storage basket. So to do this, you are going to take your plastic sheet and cut it into strips that are about 1 inch wide and 8 inches long. Take a strip and fold it in half and place it on your work surface. Repeat the process until you have 8 strips. Arrange the strips side by side and fold them in half again. Then take 2 adjacent strips and start weaving them over and under each other. Secure the ends of the strips with a dab of glue or stitches. Continue weaving until you have a tight and durable basket. Another project you can try is to make a reusable plastic bag dispenser. This is a great way to reduce the use of paper towels and keep plastic bags handy for grocery shopping. To make this project, roll up your plastic sheet into a cylinder and secure the seam with glue or stitches. Make a slit in the side of the cylinder and attach the dispenser to a wall or inside a cabinet. This dispenser allows you to pull out one bag at a time. It's convenient and saves space. Next project is a plastic tote bag. So to make this project, cut your plastic sheet into rectangles that are 18 inches wide and 16 inches tall. Fold the sides of the rectangle towards the center and press them down to make creases. Open up the rectangle and repeat the process on the opposite side. Now take the top edge of the rectangle, fold it down about 2 inches and press it down. Fold the bottom edge up about 2 inches and press it down. Line up the side seams and pin them together. Use a sewing machine to stitch along the dashed line you just made. Finish the other side of the bag and now you have a stylish and durable tote bag that you can use for shopping or everyday errands. And finally, you can make a plastic cleaning scrub pad. This is a great alternative to traditional scrub pads, which often come with plastic scouring pads that end up in landfills or worse, in our oceans. To make this project, cut your plastic sheet into long strips. Take a strip and braid it tightly with 2 other strips. Secure the ends of the strips with glue or stitches. Trim any excess plastic and flatten the braid. Stitch around the perimeter of the pad, keeping your stitches tight. Now you have a durable and effective scrub pad that won't degrade in water and will last for years to come. And there you have it, 4 amazing projects made out of plastic bags that would otherwise be thrown away. Remember, you don't need to be an expert crafter or have expensive materials to create something useful. With a little creativity and a few plastic bags, you can make a difference. Well, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a few new skills. If you did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Also, please consider sharing this video with your friends and family. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. We post new videos every week, so you don't want to miss out on any of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. Bye.